Hi, this is Mike from Cram, and today I'm going to be talking about how to add a course to your Cram schedule. You might know that you can use Cram to study for the USMLE Step 1, but you might not know that you can also use Cram to stay on top of your courses. One thing we find at Cram is that a lot of medical students will use Step 1 resources as a supplemental resource for their classes, especially, for instance, first aid or pathoma, in order to supplement the pathology lectures that you'll be taking. But also, we often find a lot of students will start with a few QBank questions every day in order to think ahead in preparation for Step 1. And using these resources is a good way to supplement your classes, but it'll also familiarize you with these resources that you're going to be using a lot of when you start your dedicated time of preparing for the boards. So to add a course, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you've told us which institution you're at. And to check, you can go to your name at the top right and click Account. And you can scroll down and you'll have a choice here at the bottom of which university you attend. I've chosen Medical University of the Americas just for this example, and I've also put in a graduation year. You'll need to input that as well. In my case, it'll be 2021. Once you have that information input, you can go to the Edit Schedule page, and when that information is already input into your account information, then this bar will appear. You'll be able to see this courses bar. You'll be able to click the button Add Course. And here you'll see a list of courses that we have supported on CramFighter. So you can look for the name of your course here. If you don't see it, you can add the title of your course here, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manually input the lecture dates and the lecture titles and the other information. And once you finish inputting that information, it'll be made available to everybody else at your institution who's taking that class. But we strongly encourage you to send us your course syllabus at contact@cramfighter.com. If you send us a syllabus that includes the lecture dates and lecture titles, we can use that information to input that course for you and make that available for your class, so you don't have to manually go through that process. In my case, just for this example, I'm going to pick Systems and Diseases 4. And you can see when I select that, this is a course for the Medical University of the Americas. You'll see all the lectures listed here already available for you. When you click Save to go to the next page, you'll be able to choose review tasks. So for instance, for every class lecture, I can choose a task that I'd like to do. And let's say for every class lecture, I want to make sure I review my notes one day after the class lecture. And I might add another one too. I might say that I want to make sure that I do the required reading 2 days before each class lecture. And you can go through and do the same thing for preparing for exams. So you can automatically see the tasks in advance that you need to do to review. Once you click Save, the course will be listed here, and you'll need to recalculate your schedule. And you'll see that there will be course tasks and course schedule information added on your daily task list. In this case, here's a listing for the pediatrics final exam. That's how you add a course to CramFighter. To see your course on CramFighter, you can send us a message with your course syllabus at contact@cramfighter.com. Or if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to help.